Greeting. This is Matt Bone. We're going to be looking at this Excel sheet here, right here, this Excel sheet. So for instance, you're actually in the office, you get this particular sheet to do some work, or what would you do, right? If you have a notice right here, it's a computer sales right here, show the item, the quantity, the price already in the payment. And now this is a balance too, right? So what you want to ask to find is the balance here. And then down here is put the total and the highest value, the lowest value, the average, and the count. And when you look below it, it also shows that add currency to all payments. So all of these payments are going to actually add currency, right? But if you notice the heading, we want to merge and center the heading. So you want to click, hold on the left side of the mouse or the touchpad, and you're gonna go all the way right here to see. When you do that, lock it like that, you're going to come right up here. Notice the aligned, and right here is merge and center. So you're going to click right at the pointer here. Notice it's a merge and center. Here's a merge across. Here's a merge cell and merge cell. So I'm going to click merge and center. Notice right here when I click merge and center, exactly that's how it actually looks like. So this cell actually merge in one, right? And if you notice all of these here, I can actually give it a shading here. So if I come right here, I can actually block it out here. I can actually give it a shade. If you notice, come right up in front, you're going to click right here, click a bucket here, look like. All right, if you notice, when I put the cursor upon it, you notice to give the heading a look of color here. All right, so what I want to find out now, if you notice the quantity is 65, 77, 11, 87, 87. But if you notice, these are the price of per one right here. Definitely, price per one. But if you notice right here, these are some payment that made, right? So if the price for one is $700, you pay $500. What we want to know is the balance due right here. So you get this in the office to do, or maybe you get a local project at school to do, or whatever to do. But you just kind of not too sure what to do. What you can do definitely, all right? You're going to click on equal. Remember, all formula starts with an equal. So what then you put the equal, what you wanted to say now, you want to look at these two sections here, because this is where you're gonna pay attention to the price and the payment in order to get the deduction. So the price is in C, right? So what you wanted to say now is C4. I've noticed it in 4. So we're gonna say C4, right? And then you're going to put the takeaway sign. Right, when you click on that, you notice the payment is a D4. So we're going to say D4. When you press D4, you press enter. If you notice, almost at leave, right? This is very important. But in order for you to calculate the rest, you notice right at this, and you notice that I put the cursor right there, change. You're going to put the cursor right here, all on the left side of the mouse or the touchpad. And you're going to, all right, let's go back again. And then hold it, and you're going to drag, come right down to this. And if you notice, it give you all the deduction for everybody else. Yes, very important here when you see all of this. But not only that, it reach right down here that it give you some more stuff that you have to do. Right, you want the highest, you want the total here, you want the highest value, the lowest value, the average, the count, and all that. You're going to add currency. So the first thing we want to pay attention to is the total. So I'm going to click right here. In order for me to get that particular total, what I can do definitely to get this particular total, all right? I can set equal, right, SUM. And then I'm going to put a bracket. When I put the bracket, if you notice right here, if I click right here, you notice you put in 8 already, put in B8. So if I put the cursor in it, and come like that and go up, put it just like that. All right, let me go up a little more. All right, good. You notice right inside here, all right, everything, and then I'm going to put my next bracket, just like that. And if I click enter, you notice, you give me all of that, all right? If I clear this, I'm going to try it a different way, right? I'm going to try it a different way, all right? Look again. Going to come right up here. This itself is the auto sum, right? So if you notice, what you focus is on is total again. You come all the way up here, so this is the auto sum. So if you notice on editing, right? So you notice it's years and ohm. So you're going to click right here. Notice you click right here, it's a sum, it's the average, it's a count. Notice it's a max, mini, and more functions. So you want to click on your sum. Notice I click on sum, you notice you cover everything up here. So this is another way you can do it, and you press enter, and there you go. Right? And if you want all of the total come across, you put the cursor right here, this little section here. You're going to hold long and just draw to your right and come like that. You notice? Give it all the total. But what we want now is the value, the highest value. What you can do, you can say equal max, that is max. So we're talking about the highest, so the max value. Right? You put the bracket. And then what you wanted to say now, you wanted to say B4. So say B4. Right there, you're going to put the colon. The colon means range. Right? B4. So you want to say B8. So you want to say B8 here now. So you put B8 there now. What you want to do is to put back the particular bracket and then you press that. If you notice, definitely, right here, it give you that. But you can try a different section. The different way you can try it, you can go back all the way up here to auto sum. You notice it is a max. You click on max. You notice when I click on max, right here, that is what it comes. So you actually can come right up here. So and click. You notice it's a B8. So you're going to put the cursor in it and it's come like this. And then when you come like that, you notice it give you back. Right? In order for you to do the same thing, you can click across to do the same thing likewise and go across. Just like that. You want the lowest value. For the lowest value, right, you can say equal MIN, relative MIN. So when you might see this thing the lowest value, I might not know what to do. But if you see the highest value, when you put in the formula rather, type in MAX, which is max. Alright, and for the lowest value, MIN. Right? So I want to say now B4. So B4, put in the colon, and then I want to say no B8. I want to put in B8 now. I'm going to put back the bracket. Then I press enter. Alright, and if you notice right here, alright, it show the lowest value. Then I'm going to click back here, and then I'm going to drag it across to get the lowest value for everybody. Alright, good. There you go now. So this is average. Right? You can get average now. You can say equal, but this one you have to type it out average. VERA. Right? And then you're going to put the bracket. And then what you can say now is B4. B4. And then put in a colon again. And I say B8. So I say B8. They put by the bracket. Alright, and then press enter. Alright, notice this is the average. But if I remove that, I'm going to try a different angle. Alright, so if I put it back here to average, I'm going to come all the way up here. Gonna click. If you notice the average right there, and I click average. So we're going to click right up here, and then we're going to come like this, and then we're going to press enter. You notice that's the average. So we want to copy the rest of average. We're going to come all the way over, just like that. Right? So very important. So the next thing that we wanted to do right here, say add currency to all payments. So we want to add currency to all payments right here. Right? So all of these, we're going to add payment here, currency too. So what I want to do, I want to block everything. Just like that. Right? Alright, let me do all of that. Just like that. So now we're blocking now. Now we want to add currency. If you notice right up here, I can literally add that. You notice it show the currency out here. Right? Otherwise, I can actually come right here, press a general. I finish right here, so I can also add currency. And there you go. Right? But if you notice right here, you see binomial sign. But whenever time you see this, don't worry. It simply means that the column needs some more space. So what you have to do, put the cursor right in between. So notice the cursor, hold on the mouse, left side and carry it to your right somewhere. You notice if you got change, all right, carry it back somewhere. Good. You do the same thing for this one. All right. Whenever time is that, it means that the column is too small. So this is exactly how it actually look like. Very important. So if you want to add a pie chart to this particular thing, what you can do, you can actually come like that and block it. Then I click on the word insert, right? And when I click on insert, if you notice right here, this is set for the pie chart. I can actually choose a chart from right here, right? If I click, if I come up here, you can actually choose change chart from right here. You notice the chart value actually change and all of that. But you want to add data label. You just right click on it like that. If you right click, you notice right here, to show you that I can add data label right here. You click, you notice right here, show the figure right on it. All right, and if I come like that, now this is a, all right, let me, let's just show that this can move and take it right over here, just like that. If you notice, my chart over here will show the different area over here. Right, it's very important, right? To show you all these figures over here. So if you have learned something from this particular video here, just remember to share it with your friend and consider subscribe. See you in the next video.